marks 1 year of my journey in EPH. So, like 19th April last year, I had joined the master class, and like 19th April this year, it was my anniversary, you can say. So, I
Wow.
really celebrated it. And like, I can tell you the difference that last year, I was in a place where I was about to quit my tax consultancy practice because I was really, in my grief mode. Like I lost my father in 2019. I lost my nanny in 2020. So these people were like my pillars of strength who made me who I am. So when I lost them, I was actually in a very, a low phase. So you can imagine, like last year it was 2024. From 2019 to 2024, 5 years, I was actually completely depressed.
Wow.
Even if I gave birth to my daughter in 2020, even if that happened, then too there was always a hole in my heart. Uh, one second, one second. So because of that, what had happened is I was not able to fully be there for my daughter. But after I joined the platinum membership, the shift was that I was actually amazed at how I could feel happy. Like initially, I was feeling, "Oh, why am I feeling so joyous?" Because I was used to the low feeling.
Correct.
So I was like, "Oh my God, where is this feeling coming from?" Because like even we are not meeting in a person, then too we can feel the energy. When mothers share their wins, we can actually feel the energy pass through each other. The positivity just flows, and that has really helped me come back to my normal self. Now I'm like back to my normal self, and it's all because of you.
Yeah. So this is my first share. So what happens? You always say, right? You have to write gratitude. I never understood why this is important, but I was doing it constantly. And few things I was writing was I never, as in, I was okay doing my job. It's not that I don't love it, but it's not that I hate it as well.
Correct.
So, but when I start writing gratitude, I was trying to cover all the aspects of my life, and I also used to write gratitude for the money we have, gratitude for the job I have, and gratitude for the manager, mentors, colleagues, and everyone.
Correct.
So last year, I never tried to excel in my job. I never put any extra effort. But this time, what happened was instead of meets, I got exceeds in my job, and that came as a complete surprise. I never put any.
What exceed?
Yeah, yeah.
What does that
Rating
mean?
wise, that is the higher rating. Meet is the average rating, and exceeds is only I got that in my team, and I was really not sure what has changed. My effort has not
Has
changed. Nothing has changed, and
energy has changed.
yeah, my energy might have changed. And other thing that always stuck with me is the way you do in any one area of life, the same way you will do in every area of my life.
Yes, correct.
So I try to put better actions. So yeah, that has definitely shifted. Obviously, I had monetary benefits because of that. So yeah, thank you.
So it's been on 28th April. I will complete my 1 year journey in Easy Parenting Hub. The day I took a decision for myself, first time in my life,
Yes.
and taking money of my brother's death insurance and all. So that was a good decision of my life. I'll never like last time I share in platinum that I want to buy a ring always of a platinum. Now I think what I would do of the ring, I just wear it and show off the rings. But I'm delivering the things I have learned from you on a daily dose, like a medicine we take daily, whether it is BP sugar. So health wise, relationship, everything, career, I have just improved. After taking platinum, I have learned one thing: you should be a lifelong learner. So handwriting was my thing. I was very interested in things that. So I've taken the course of that also. And from January, I've started all pets, no fukat wala cheese now. So from
Correct.
September to December, I have done parenting, not handwriting, but parenting. I have done workshops. So in total, now whenever I approach, they ask me about my profile,
Correct.
whether it is any organization, they ask me. So the ratio is 100 plus mothers educated in parenting. 70 plus I have trained in handwriting of yesterday, and 10 before I have done. So that, and 1,000 students I have trained in my Positive Pathways program. Like they
Wow.
have program. So this is my ratio of achievement in 1 year. By keeping you and always being a good student, sincere student, learning every time, watching my course every day, whether it is waking at 4 a.m. or 3 a.m., I was very consistent in watching my course. That was the only thing. And always in our community, mothers also say you are very fast action taker also. So
Correct.
now I think summer camps for kids also, that is offline, and summer camp for mothers also, that is online.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
taking, and first second batch is done with summer camp, mother summer camp, and I'm taking now third batch. So this is my achievements all around, and in all this journey, learning helps me a lot. I have gained my confidence, I have gained my communication skill. For taking a leadership, it helped me a lot to communicate with mothers, because Hyderabad, Chennai mothers don't understand Hindi. So I have first forced to speak in English with them.
Yes.
So that helped me a lot to speak. Now, without any agenda or something, I can just go on with everyone. I should know what audience want now from me,
Correct. Correct.
and just delivered whatever I can. It's all about your learning only, and learning every part, everything, ordering books, learning from books also many things, inspiring. Like I was so happy, and I was on the other end thinking to whom I should share it fast, like very quick. So the came like I close my eyes. I only believe Ramji. So I just close my eyes, and I just share a photo with you. So that was like very emotional,
Yes.
that I uh, that I have no one to share my win. It's not like a mother-in-law, father. I have my sister, but still I was feeling very like whom I should share. So the first
Always here with you. Yes, always with you. We are one big family. Now you should never think whom to share with. You have so many people to share with, and all of us are really celebrating you in the group also, I saw. So we are super proud of you, Ankita. And always remember you have a big family now, so you should never think with whom should I share. We are always with you.
So the journey has been a roller coaster for me. Like I was not a consistent person at all. But now from the 2025, I am there. So when I joined, I was on a maternity leave. Things were like very nice. I was just doing things and I was very happy. And the day I joined back to the office, then I also became the same person. I can't do it. Time is not there. I can't manage it. So for like almost 4 months, I was out of the system. And then I realized like how can I go into that such situation? I literally went into such a low life condition where I literally wanted to quit everything and just go back to the place where I was. And then I was like, I want to leave the home. I literally went into that situation. Then I don't know from where. All of a sudden, I opened my Instagram and I saw your video. And I was like, oh, okay, so I have this also. Let's just try it again. I literally started my journey again into this 1 year only. And the experience I have right now, I just can't tell you. Like, I'm so blessed that my life, my personal life, my professional life, life with my in-laws, life with my own parents was always good. But with my in-laws, everything has become so nice. I feel when I wake up and I feel like I want to live my life to the fullest. I want to live my life to the place where I can serve people. Now people have started recognizing me as a calm person. Like I used to be always the one person who used to start the party always. So recently, only like 3 days back, so I had like my first cousin sister marriage last weekend. So everybody was like, you have something in you which has changed. I don't know what. मतलब जब तक मैं वहाँ नहीं जाती तब तक party नहीं start होती थी, and this time it was something else. Like people were recognizing me that, oh, you are doing such a great job. Though I've just started putting videos of my foods or baby food which I have started making for my child. So मैंने भी सिर्फ 7-8 videos डाली हैं, but in that only people have started asking me. We are waiting for more videos. Though I'm not able to record it because मैं voice over भी उसमें डालती हूँ, तो मेरा mic खराब हो गया था बीच में. So I was not able to do that, but I am going to do it more now. So even in 7 videos, people literally asked me, called me, "Arey, when are you putting the next video? We have started feeding our child, like after looking at your videos." So that was like a big win for me because I was very like scared कि मुझे videos नहीं डालना है. मतलब मैं 6 महीने से video record कर रही थी. I do have a bulk video of like almost 20-30 videos, but मेरे को डालना नहीं था. मेरे को मतलब इतना courage ही नहीं था. But then one day my husband said, just because of you, अगर एक मदर ने भी अच्छा खाना अपने बच्चों को खिला दिया, see कि आपको कितनी blessings मिलेंगे. And that literally hit me hard. And the day I started putting in, people started calling me. Like my cousins who never used to call me like for years. So उनके भी calls आए मुझे कि मेरी sister-in-law का बेटा हुआ, मैंने उसको तुम्हारी video भेजी. She was very disturbed कि उसका बच्चा खाना नहीं खा रहा था. So that is like a big win for me. I went to the marriage and I think I met 50-60 people. Out of that, 20-30 people told me about my videos. So that was a big win
Wow,
for me.
amazing.
And last month I faced an issue I shared with Hirul, and earlier I was very shy that I don't know wanted, so I didn't face paralyzed thing last month, and because of that I was not coming on video calls for last month. You might have seen like I was not there, so my entire like this area was lifted towards left. So I had faced this, and I was not wanted to be on the calls. I do not wanted to see the mirror like for almost 15 days. मैंने mirror को देखा भी नहीं. And then I had a word with Hiral and I was like, Hiral ये सब चीजें हुई हैं, तो मैं इतना active भी नहीं हो पा रही हूँ. And the day I promoted as a super leader, the same day I had this attack. And then she was like, no, you have to do it. Like, why don't you share these things? I was like, no, I don't know. मुझे लगता है कि बहुत लोग मुझे फोन करके पूछेंगे कैसे हो क्या है. मुझे इतने लोगों को जवाब देना नहीं आता. But then I recovered from that thing. I realized that it's always not important कि आप सबसे share करो, but at least to the people you love, right? And that I've accepted now. And thank you so much for that, Heel. And she's always there, like been there for me. And मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि यार I have a family. Like मतलब though I'm very extrovert person, but when it comes to share my personal feeling, I'm not that कि मैं सबसे share करूँगी. मैं जाके सबके साथ dance कर सकती हूँ. I can be very happy. I can do everything, but I cannot be somebody like जो अपनी मन की feeling सबसे share करे. But now I've started becoming that person. I've overcome that thing which I was just waiting, and it was not an easy thing for me to go through that all facial thing. But yeah, now I'm back. I'm happy. I'm grateful to you. Because of you, I am I'm having such an emotional breakthroughs in my life. And yes, people started recognizing me that at least I'm doing something with even I'm putting out videos that learning on weekends with my mentor. People have started asking, what are you doing? What are the things so they have started asking me कि अच्छा क्या करते हो तुम parenting में. So I have started saying that thinking like parenting is not about teaching children, it's about us. So now yeah, like a lot of compliment I've started getting, which is a good thing. I think everybody loves to get complimented.